Welcome to ANA's Tech Tuesdays. Today we want to talk about the ease of maintenance with our airman generators. As you can see here, we have one of our 25 kVA generators. Have the doors open. You can see the large space is available for our technicians to get in here and have ease of maintenance. First thing we want to point out is our fuel filter. Here, these filters need to be changed every 500 hours, but depending on where you're located, the type of environment you're in, or the fuel source you're using, you may need to increase that to every 250 hours to protect your engine. Above that, we have our engine oil filter. It needs to be changed every 500 hours as well. We have our electromag lift pump, which has a filter in the very bottom of it. It needs to be changed every 1,000 hours. And lastly, we have our engine air filter. This also needs to be changed every 1,000 hours, but is a daily and weekly check. This should be done either by the technicians or by the customer to verify that the engine can breathe freely. We do have our fuel return and fuel inlet if you want to add a bulk tank to your unit. And then we do also have our maintenance drains, our engine oil drain and our radiator drain, which is available by a petcock on the inside of the machine. Overall, it makes it very simple and efficient for these technicians to get out here and work on the curb side of the unit, so that way they're not working in the street, and be able to get their job done quickly and efficiently. For more information, please check out our website at anacorp.com and check out our support page for more videos and information.